Hi guys! As I mentioned in my previous video, I would like to tell you a bit more about the English requirements for UK visa. If you will decide that this is what you want to do, you will need to pass secure English language tests. English tests you can find in the description below, as well as the approved centers. I will tell you a bit more about one of the specific language tests, which is called IELTS. Why I chose that? Because most of our candidates, they will undergo that specific language test. Before you will attend any test, please make sure that you book the correct one. The best way is for you just to share the screenshot of your booking, so then we can assess if, just in case, maybe you booked the wrong test center or you booked the wrong IELTS test. It's a bit tricky when you're booking the tests. The one that you need for most of our roles here that we are offering at Workforce is IELTS for UK VEI General Training. You will probably see that there is an option to choose IELTS for UK VEI, but for example life skills, which is not correct, and it will not allow you to come on skilled worker visa. You might see also IELTS General Training, but that it's not eligible for UK visa. So once again, you need to have IELTS for UK VEI General Training. But that's not all. That specific training is four-phased, which will mean that you will need to pass an English test in writing, speaking, listening, and reading. In all four of those parts, you will need to score at least 4.0, and overall score must be also at least 4.0. So let's say that you scored 7.5 in speaking, but 3.5 in reading. It would mean that you failed and you need to redo the test. About the other tests, and also the requirements in regards to the points, you can find in the description below. The cost of English test is around £200, but if you have an academic degree, which is bachelor, master's or PhD that was fully taught in English, you can submit your diploma to ACTIS, and based on your diploma, they can recognize the English proficiency. It costs almost the same as IELTS. However, the turnaround is faster because it's around 10 to 15 days, but also you will not need to attend any tests. If you think that this is something for you, you can reach out to us. All the contact details you will find in the description below. If you have more questions, we are here to help you as well. As we are always saying, with you all the way.